Hi everyone. Today I am going to introduce a very special machine. This machine is used for stone carving, especially stone pillars, Roman pillars, and shaping of different kind of vessels, etc. This is a CNC router machine, but the arrangement of workpiece and cutting tool is totally different compared to the conventional CNC router machine. As usual, the data will be fed through a computer and the drawing can be done in a CAD file or with the help of a CAD keyboard and display system. And thus that data will be generally the profile, 2D profile will be used for this as the CAD model. And that profile information will be fed into the through the controller to the machine for the machine's movement. Here the workpiece will be rotating with a comfortable speed, and the feeding of the cutter, here the cutter is a circular saw. The feeding of the cutter towards the workpiece and along the workpiece will be controlled with the computer system, so that the required shape will be achieved. This system will be very good productivity given compared to the conventional systems of CNC router. We can achieve more volume of production with this kind of system, and especially the material, where there is a lot of the material hardness is high. So if you are using the normal CNC router bits, the life will be very less. Here, as we are using the circular saw, that can give a better output and the production cost. We can also reshape the teeth of the circular saw and use it again and again. So we can recommend this machine for a high volume production. And if somebody want to have more information about the machine, you may please contact us. So thank you for watching, and you may continue watching the video till the end. Thank you very much.
你线上扛走了就行了，什么给不给？扛就扛，对，扛能扛就走。
下面这些边留的小了，都上来看。我这个好像特别大，这边留的小。这大点就不给上去，行了，啥的啥的。